Hello everyone. Today I'll be replacing the filters 1 and 2 of the PureBlue H2O reverse osmosis that I bought from Costco. So I have bought ready the filter from Costco online. For some reason I can't find this at the warehouse. So I just did it online, and then by the time I bought this one, it was with a discount. I think it was like $9 discount. So about this filter, this is a 1-year pack, so that means every 6 months you're gonna replace the yellow ones, the stage 1 and 2, the green and yellow. So this two is gonna be every 6 months, and the pink one is gonna be every year. So that's why they call it a 1-year supply. So if you notice, this is only 3 colors. So the blue one is the RO membrane. So this is gonna be replaced like maybe every 2 to 5 years, depending how bad is the water quality in your area or in your faucet. So things we need before we start replacing this thing. So first, the filter. You need to have the filter first, and then a battery. So it's the CR2032 battery. So we need to replace this thing when we replace the filter. So what you need next is a container, so you can save the water when we drain it. And then this pan. So any drop of water when we remove the filter should be caught in this one. Okay, let's get busy. So first we need to turn off the faucet. So locate the faucet. So in my case, so it should be that one. Okay. So next, the faucet is turned off. So I'm gonna make sure it's not really releasing any water anymore. Now we're sure it's not open anymore. Now we're gonna drain the tank of the RO. Okay. Now time to remove the filters. So I'm gonna have the pan underneath it. So right now I just need the stage 1 and stage 2 filters. So in the back it has the instruction. So first you gotta match the color, then next you gotta watch out for the key, and then next is insert it into the manifold and then turn it counterclockwise. That was not easy. Okay, those are installed now. That was not easy while also recording video. Now let's turn on the faucet. Now it's filling up water now. And let's check this thing. Okay, we got water. And down here, it looks pretty good. There's no leak, I guess. So before we forget, we gotta change the battery first. Gotta have to pry it out. Just like that. So there's your battery. Okay. Now let's put the new one. Okay, just like that. So you gotta let this fill up the tank, and then you have to purge it 3 times, and then the 4th time, then that's you can drink. Just a quick tip, guys. Just a few weeks ago, the water actually started flowing from this air gap here. So luckily there's this YouTuber posted a video how to fix it. So it's actually just a clogged drain. So I'm gonna unplug this thing and then deliberately clog it. So this is what's gonna happen if this thing is clogged. Okay, sampungi. Pagasa. And as you can see right there, it's flowing out water now. So if yours is gonna have this problem, then that's because the drain tube is clogged. Then all you gotta do is clean that tube, then it's just gonna be fine. See, it will just run the water to the sink. So this is a pretty good design. And then yeah, let's put this thing back on. So that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm still gonna be busy purging this thing 3 times. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you love it, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, guys, stay busy, and I will see you in the next video.